In 2026, inverter generators are no longer a niche solution. They've become the standard for anyone who values stable power, low noise, and fuel efficiency. Unlike conventional generators, inverter models produce clean, regulated electricity that's safe for sensitive electronics while consuming less fuel and operating at significantly lower noise levels. The market has matured. Manufacturers now compete not only on wattage, but on real-world efficiency, engine reliability, acoustic comfort, and smart features such as parallel connection and eco modes. As a result, choosing the right inverter generator today requires more than just looking at peak power numbers. In this ranking, we break down the best inverter generators of 2026 based on performance, efficiency, noise control, build quality, and practical usability, focusing on models that make sense in real conditions, not on paper specs alone. Opening our 2026 list is the WEN Super Quiet 2350, a lightweight inverter generator built for mobility and everyday practicality rather than raw power. With a body weight of just 39 pounds, it's clearly aimed at camping, RV use, and situations where portability matters more than maximum wattage. The generator produces 2,350 surge watts and 1,900 running watts, delivering clean inverter power suitable for charging laptops, phones, cameras, and other sensitive electronics. Noise levels are notably low for this class, making it a reasonable option for campsites and residential backup where sound restrictions apply. That said, the compact design comes with trade-offs. The limited output means it's not intended for high-draw appliances like electric heaters or large air conditioners, and the gasoline-only fuel system restricts flexibility compared to dual-fuel models. Still, for light-duty use, quiet operation, and easy transport, the WEN Super Quiet 2350 serves as a solid entry point in the 2026 inverter generator lineup. Taking fourth place is the Champion Power Equipment 2,500 watt dual fuel inverter generator, a more versatile option for users who want fuel flexibility without sacrificing quiet operation. Unlike entry-level gasoline-only models, this generator can run on both gasoline and propane right out of the box, which significantly expands its usability in camping and backup scenarios. In terms of output, it delivers 2,500 starting watts and 1,850 running watts on gasoline, with slightly lower figures on propane. Power quality remains clean, with less than 3% THD, making it safe for modern electronics. Noise levels are well controlled at around 53 decibels A, placing it firmly in the quiet inverter category for residential and campsite use. The built-in CO Shield carbon monoxide shutoff system adds an important layer of safety, especially for less experienced users. Runtime is another strong point. Propane operation can stretch up to 25 hours, though at reduced power output. On the downside, this model is heavier than ultra-lightweight competitors and still lacks the output needed for power-hungry appliances. Parallel capability requires an optional kit, adding to overall cost. Still, for those who value dual-fuel flexibility, safety features, and long runtime, Champion's 2,500 watt inverter earns its place in the 2026 ranking. Third place goes to the Westinghouse 5000 Super Quiet Inverter Generator, a clear step up in power and functionality for users who need real home-level capability. With 5,000 peak watts and 3,900 running watts, this model moves beyond light camping use and confidently targets RV owners and residential backup scenarios. Despite its output, the generator maintains inverter-grade power quality with less than 3% THD, making it safe for sensitive electronics. One of its standout features is usability. Remote electric start with key fob, auto choke, and a detailed LED data center showing fuel level, load, voltage, runtime, and total hours. This is a generator designed to be convenient, not just powerful. Noise control is impressive for its class, dropping as low as 52 decibels A in economy mode, while a 3.4-gallon fuel tank delivers up to 18 hours of runtime under light load. The inclusion of an RV-ready TT30R outlet, household duplex outlets, and USB ports makes it a flexible solution for both travel trailers and home essentials. The trade-offs are predictable. At 119 pounds, portability is limited despite the wheel and handle kit, and gasoline-only operation reduces flexibility compared to dual-fuel competitors. It's also overkill for casual camping setups. However, for users who want quiet operation, strong output, and modern controls in a single inverter platform, the Westinghouse 5000 fully earns its third-place position in the 2026 ranking. Second place is claimed by the Generac GP3300i, a well-balanced inverter generator that hits the sweet spot between portability, power, and real-world usability. With 3,300 watts of output and a weight under 60 pounds, it offers noticeably more capability than entry-level models while remaining compact enough for frequent transport. Generac's True Power technology ensures clean, stable electricity suitable for sensitive electronics, while Power Rush Advance provides extra starting capacity for motor-driven tools and appliances, a practical advantage in both home backup and RV scenarios. Noise levels stay low thanks to the fully enclosed design and economy mode, keeping operation unobtrusive in residential settings. Safety and convenience are clearly prioritized. The built-in CO Sense carbon monoxide sensor, LED status indicators, USB charging ports, and parallel-ready capability make this generator easy to live with, even for users without technical experience. Fuel efficiency is solid, though runtime remains dependent on load due to the gasoline-only design. The main limitation is flexibility. Compared to dual-fuel competitors, the GP3300i lacks propane support, and while powerful for its size, it still can't handle high-demand appliances simultaneously. Even so, as an all-around inverter generator that balances clean power, smart features, and manageable weight, the Generac GP3300i earns its second-place position in the 2026 lineup. Taking first place in our 2026 ranking is the Honda EU2200i, a reference point inverter generator known for reliability, quiet operation, and exceptional power quality. Its leadership comes not from high wattage, but from engineering consistency and long-term dependability. The EU2200i delivers clean, stable inverter power that's safe for sensitive electronics and essential appliances. Noise levels remain among the lowest in its class, operating between 48 and 57 decibels A, which makes it suitable for camping, RV use, and residential backup where silence matters. Weighing just 46.5 pounds, it's easy to transport, while Honda's Eco Throttle system adjusts engine speed to load, providing 4 to 9.6 hours of runtime on a single tank. Parallel capability allows two units to work together for up to 4,400 watts, extending flexibility when more power is required. Its limitations are clear: modest output, gasoline-only operation, and a lack of modern extras like USB ports or remote start. However, what the EU2200i offers instead is proven durability, excellent fuel efficiency, and industry-leading inverter quality.